Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will going to learn how to apply the fundamental counting principle in different scenarios or events without restrictions. The fundamental counting principle, also known as rule of product, states that when there are m ways to do one thing and n ways to do another, then there are m times n ways of doing both. In other words, if you have multiple choices and each choice is independent of the others, you can find the total number of combinations by multiplying the number of choices for each event. Let's explore different scenarios connected to this concept. Example 1. What is the total number of different ways to organize 6 bags on a shelf? There is no restriction in this problem. We just need to arrange the 6 bags on a shelf. There are 6 positions for the 6 bags. For the first position, there are 6 choices. Second position, there are 5 remaining choices. For the third, there are 4 choices. For the fourth, there are 3 remaining bags. And then for this fifth position, there are 2 remaining bags. And for the last position, that's for the last bag. Then multiply. Therefore, the total number of different ways to organize the 6 bags on a shelf is 720. Example 2. Cassandra was invited to her cousin's birthday party. She has 4 new tops, that is off-shoulder, asymmetric, halter neck, and spaghetti straps, and 3 bottom wears, which are skirt, trousers, and leggings. Assuming that any top can be paired with any bottom wear, in how many ways can she select her outfit? So, to determine the number of ways Cassandra can select her outfit, we just simply multiply the number of her tops by the number of her bottom wears. So, 4 times 3 is equal to 12 possible outfits. Example 3. Suppose you're at a restaurant and you want to create a meal by choosing 1 starter, 1 main course, and 1 dessert. The restaurant offers the following: starters, there are soup, salad, and breadsticks. For the main courses, pasta, pizza, burger, and fish. Desserts, there are ice cream and cake. How many different meal combinations are possible? So to find the number of different meal combinations, we just need to multiply the number of choices for each course. For the starters, there are 3 choices times. For the main course, there are 4 choices times 2 choices for the desserts. Therefore, there are 24 possible meal combinations that the customer can create. Example 4. Claricel wants to secure her cell phone with a 6-character code consisting of 4 digits and 2 English alphabet letters. How many possible codes can she create? In this problem, there is no restriction stated. To determine how many possible 6-character codes can she create, we need to consider the number of choices for each of the 4 digits and 2 letters. Since the code consists of 4 digits and 2 English alphabet letters, so there are 6 positions to fill in. For the 4 digits, each has 10 choices because the digits are from 0 to 9. And for the English alphabet letters, there are 26 choices each from A to Z. Multiply, therefore, the possible codes that Clarzel can create is 6,760,000. Example 5. What are the possible number of different ways to arrange 4 distinct math books and 3 distinct English books on a shelf? There is no restriction stated in this problem. We need to calculate the number of ways to arrange the 7 books. 7 books because there are 4 distinct math books and 3 distinct English books. 7 books for 7 positions. And for the first position, there are 7 choices. For the next, there are 6. For the third, there are 5, then 4, then 3, and then 2, and 1 for the last position. Multiply the number of different ways to arrange the 7 books is equal to 5,040. Example 6. 12 runners joined the 42K category of an international marathon. How many ways can they be arranged in the first, second, and third places, assuming there is no ties? There are 3 positions to fill in. To choose the first placer, there are 12 possible choices. For the second placer, there are 11. And then for the third placer, there are 10. Multiply. So there are 1,320 different ways to arrange the 12 runners in the first, second, and third places. Number 7. A green die, a blue die, and a red die are rolled. In how many ways can the 3 dice fall? Each die, the green, the blue, and red, has 6 faces, each with a different number of dots from 1 to 6. When you toss each die, there are 6 possible outcomes. Since the dice are independent of each other, we need to multiply the number of possible outcomes for each die. So 6 times 6 times 6, or 6 raised to 3, then there are 216 possible ways. Number 8. How many unique arrangements are possible for parking 8 different cars in just 5 parking spaces that are aligned in a single row? There are just 5 parking spaces for 8 different cars. For the first space, there are 8 choices. For the second space, there are 7. Then next is 6, and then next is 5, and then next is 4 different choices. Just multiply them. Therefore, there are 1,680 possible ways to arrange the 8 different cars in 5 parking spaces. Number 9, how many 4-letter words can be created using the letters of the word faith? 4-letter words here are a string of letters with or without meaning. We have 5 letters, F-A-I-T-H, from the word faith to choose from, and we're forming a word with 4 letters with no repetitions. Then for the first letter, there are 5 letters to choose from. For the next one, there are 4. For the next one, there are 3 remaining letters, and for the last, there are 2 remaining letters. Multiply them. Therefore, there are 124 letter words that can be created using the letters of the word faith without repetitions. Number 10, in how many ways can you select 2 books from different genres from a collection of 5 fantasy books, 4 science book fictions, and 7 romance books? Using the multiplication counting principle or the fundamental counting principle, we can select 2 books in the following ways. 1 from fantasy and 1 from the science fiction. That is 5 times 4, which is equal to 20. And the other way is 1 from fantasy books and 1 from romance books. That is 5 times 7, which is 35 ways. And then 1 science fiction and 1 romance, which is 4 times 7 equal to 28. Then add the different ways. 20 plus 35 plus 28 equals 83 ways to select 2 books from the different genres of a collection of fantasy, science, and romance books. Example 11. A license plate is comprised of 3 letters from the English alphabets, followed by a 3-digit number. How many distinct license plates can be created? Each license plate created is always distinct, and the letters can be repeated, and so with the digits. Since there are 3 letters and followed by 3 digits, there are 6 places to fill in. For the 3 letters, each can be any of the 26 English alphabet letters. Since letters can be repeated, therefore each has 26 choices. For the 3 digits, each can be any of the 10 digits from 0 to 9. And since digits can be repeated, each position has 10 choices. We multiply. Therefore, there are 17,576,000 possible license plates comprised of 3 letters followed by 3-digit numbers. Number 12, in how many unique orders can you position 6 individuals in a single line for a photo? There is no restrictions stated. 6 individuals for 6 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the first position, there are 6 individuals to choose from. For the next, there are 5, then 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Multiply. So there are 720 unique orders to arrange the 6 individuals in a single line for a photo. Example 13. In how many ways can a president, vice president, and secretary be selected from a class of 22 male and 21 female students? There is no restrictions, but the 3 positions are distinct. The total number of students is 43, that is 22 plus 21, and the number of positions to fill in is 3. The president, vice president, and the secretary. For the president, there are 43 choices. The remaining 42 for the vice president, and then for the secretary, there are 41 remaining choices. Multiply. Therefore, there are 74,046 possible ways to select the president, vice president, and secretary from a class of 43 students. Example 14. How many unique 4-digit numbers can you create using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, making sure that no digit is repeated? We need to create 4-digit numbers. So there are 4 places to fill in. To create a 4-digit number, the first digit or the thousands place cannot be a 0, as that would make it a 3-digit number. Therefore, we'll handle the first digit separately and ensure the other digits are distinct. There are 4 choices for the first digit. These are 2, 4, 6, and 8. After choosing the first digit, there are also 4 choices for the second digit, including 0. Then after choosing the second digit, there are 3 remaining choices for the third digit. After choosing the third digit from the 3 remaining choices, there are 2 remaining choices left for the last digit. Apply the fundamental counting principle. Therefore, there are 96 unique 4-digit numbers with no digit is repeated. That's it. I hope you've learned something from this. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more. Bye!